I am sure sports area with Coach Andrew Price. It was a physical game, a hard game. You came from 1 goal down to equalize and get a point of the game. Sum up the team's performance, please.
I think it was a resilient performance. I think the young team is growing and it's showing a lot of character. We are trying to blend some experienced players with some youngsters who are playing the Premier League for the first time in their lives. So, you know, it's a learning curve for them, but I think they acquitted themselves well today. We gave up a goal because we weren't concentrating properly very early, but we fought hard to get back the equalizer and, should have gone ahead late in the second half with some good opportunities. But, it's all about the game. I think it was a good game for the viewing public. I think both teams gave as good as they got today. We fought, and even to the end of the game, both teams were trying to get the victory, and I think we're just unfortunate not to come away with all 3 points.
Based on my analysis, I thought you take too long to put on Paisley.
Paisley is your player?
No, not my player, but he came on like a live wire. He draw the Arnett players and make them get yellow cards and stuff like that. I thought more minutes, you will get something more out of him.
No, I think we use him judiciously. I think one of the things is that what we wanted to do is to see how well the Arnett Gardens fullbacks could cope with the early pace of our, and then bring on people like Paisley and Lewin to run hard at them in the last 20 minutes of the game, and it almost paid off. So it was according to game plan.
Thank you very much, Andrew Price, and I hope you continue to do the good work and get the team into the top 6.
All right, thank you.